I was a normal student. I was a normal girl who liked to wear jeans, who liked to wear sneakers. But as a beauty queen, that totally changed. I never had worked in modeling industry, and it was really hard to have the straight posture, the nice posing, and everything that you need to prepare for a beauty queen. And the hardest part was to stay fit because I love to eat. And I think that's really good because you stay healthy, and it's one of the skills that you need throughout your life forever. And after Miss Universe 2016, I was really lucky to participate again in an international pageant of Miss Supranational 2017. And I was really a lucky girl because I was the first woman to bring a Grand Slam crown to Korea. And it's an honor, and Korea is very supportive. And I just want to say, please support the new Mr. Supranational India, because all your support is really the energy that that motivates the contestants. So spread love, no hate, and I want to say good luck.
Thank you so
all
much.
the best.
Thank you so much. But for me, as of now, I've got two main things on my mind, coming from a person that loves water. So after winning, I want to make one point clear, that we have to keep our oceans clean. That is one thing. Being from Goa, I know how our state is. Being even in Bombay, it doesn't matter, Goa or Bombay. So we have to keep our waters clean. All the plastic we throw in the water, all the trash we throw in the water, it's not good for the environment. So the first, I don't know, if I win, the first project I'll take up is cleaning the ocean. That's what I always wanted to do, and that's what I'll do. Because I know I'm a free diver. When I dive, all I see is plastic in the water nowadays, which is not fair. So this is one thing I have to change, and I will make sure I change it. And I will make sure I make people aware of it. At least if I can't change it, I make people aware of it.
Thank you so much, Miss India Organization and Miss Diva Organization, for inviting us to India. And India was one of the places, the countries that I always want to visit because I love Indian food.
We are absolutely delighted to be here in India. Your country is beautiful, the people are warm, kind-hearted, and so generous with their time and energy. So we are so happy to be here. We love India. We just spoke about it in the car last night, and we said that we feel that we've been here for a week and we've only been here for a day. It's a fantastic country, and we would like to say a very special thank you to the Miss India, Miss Diva organization for hosting us and doing a fantastic job. We are really honored to be here. The Miss and Mr. Supranational Organizations is a platform. It's a platform to celebrate the beauty, the confidence, the style of modern young men and women from all around the world. This year we will be having, or we are very fortunate to be celebrating our 10th Miss Supranational competition in Poland, where the competition was born. We will be inviting 80 women from around the world, including, of course, a representative from India, whom we will meet on Friday night. And it's going to be a wonderful celebration. It's going to be our biggest show yet, and we're just excited to share with the world the beauty of confident, accomplished young women from all walks of life. We will also be celebrating the day after. We will be having our 3rd Mr. Supranational competition, and we're inviting 40 young men to compete, including this wonderful young man here, the pride of Goa. So he will be with us on stage, and may I say that it's such a fantastic opportunity. The show is sold in 140 countries all around the world.